noMbuthuma.
Oh,
Yo,
yeah, Mbuthuma.
I'm happy Ndanga to see first thing ngizoyisho. I'm happy Mapakania to see uMbuthuma back. That's the first thing.
Yeah.
I was happy to see him Aoma because previously, what I think also these boys why didn't perform Abomure, Mabombutsuma, why we were on that. No, Sbilibil was part of them. Now I'm so it Sbilibil as Bill. If you remember,
Yeah.
Amapagania they can check
Yeah.
on our podcast earlier Makali season.
Yeah.
I think it's because the team was not winning
Yeah.
and the team was losing. Like mekunganayo leyo chemist.
Yeah.
But Ndanga like Abombutsuma bangenile izolo they fitted like a club. I'm happy for him to score 2 goals.
Ash.
That's marvelous.
Yeah,
Ndanga.
yeah,
And
yeah.
uyabona lama player lawo mesithi this player doesn't deserve to play here. They are getting the goals. That means Ndanga uyangithola team like seyiqinile and then nayo ukuthi angadlali isikhathi eside kanje sekana 2 goals. It's
Yeah,
beautiful.
yeah,
Ku Kev
yeah,
phezu
yeah,
kwalokho mina ngizomuphi 10 Ndanga ngimuphi 10 in the basis ukuthi ubuyile uboy wakho omunye uzokutshela ukuthi lela goal lakhe hey inhlanhla for him to be there.
Like that's striker's instinct.
Yeah.
Angithola
For him to be
if
there.
you fit to striker and you're not there, angithola you won't score that goal.
Yeah.
Angithola. I like that goal and I like as I said like striker's instinct. You must always be there. mfethu.
No Ronaldo
Every
kwa
bounce.
kanje,
Yeah,
so
angithola.
Christmas
Every-
Ronaldo kanje.
Yeah, every
Yeah.
bounce that comes in, you must be there. mfethu. You must put your body, put your head.
Yonke into.
Angithola faka yonke into angithola.
Yeah.
So I like the fact to totally praise him. mfethu. He's off the mark angithola. He's putting pressure now off on Skomota to say mfethu uyabona manje mfethu angithola. Okay, siyasho ukuthi uMabasa uyithathile le position. Mara nami ngifuna ukuhlala ebenchini.